Received the Swiss 8-day pocket watch called the Comfort for inspection. It has a snap-on bezel and a celluloid crystal, as can be seen from the yellow color in it. The Comfort logo, 8 days, missing the bow, and the crown is a replacement. Setting and winding mechanisms function as designed. These two screws are the movement screws. They lock the lower part of the movement to the case. Nice gold-plated balance bridge. Small amount of green corrosion, rust, a lot of dirt particles. Loosen the movement screws. Loosen the detent screws. Stem. Remove the balance. Protect the dial. Hands. Movement drops out easily. Wyss Brothers, the maker of the watch. Dial screw. Nice logo. 8 days. Regulator indicator marks. Up close, the lettering is fuzzy. A few open cracks in the dial. Dark corrosion on the gold piece where the cracks are. Fuzziness of the black numbers indicate possibly a silkscreen process was used to produce this dial. Dial only has one dial post used to secure it to the movement. Remove the pallet fork, hour wheel, click for the mainspring, a massive mainspring barrel holding the long 8-day mainspring. Loosen the barrel screw, barrel, detent, detent spring, balance wheel end cap, click. A butcher job here. Someone used a cutting tool to open the screw slot and ended up cutting into the brass plate in the process. Center of movement where the mainspring fastener screws into. Wyss Brothers, the maker of the watch. 7 jewels, cannon pinion. Balance wheel has been butchered. Must be a dozen countersink starts all in one area. Someone has also filed on a half a dozen of the balance screws. One of the countersinks is half on the rim and half on the screw. I can guarantee it didn't leave the factory like this. Could be someone was attempting to speed it up by lightening the wheel to compensate for a worn-out, weak mainspring. Just not sure what they had in mind. Most all the screw heads have corrosion on them. Impulse jewel has been replaced with a steel one. A steel impulse pin is heavier than a jeweled one, so will throw the balance wheel out of poise. Mainspring has been butchered. It's been crudely spliced here using solder and a thick lap joint. Rust on the mainspring. Here the mainspring has been repaired using an open hem joint. A portion of the mainspring had to be softened to make this joint. These mainsprings are typically slightly over 4 feet long, not the easiest item to find today. All in all, it's a complete watch. It should run if cleaned and oiled. A new mainspring will need to be installed before it can be determined if it will keep time. Time to contact the owner and see how they want to move forward on this Comfort pocket watch.